How to turn on fast charging and fast wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to battery. Tap on a battery option. Again scroll down. Here you can see the charging settings. Tap on it. Now you can see fast charging, fast wireless charging option here. Toggle on or toggle off the option you want to use fast charging. In fast wireless charging, toggle on it. Make sure the center part of the back of your phone is aligned with the center of the charger to quickly fast charge your Samsung device or another device using this fast wireless charging option. So you can just toggle on or toggle off the option you want to use fast charging or fast wireless charging. Also show charging information on always on display here. That's it. Please like it, share it,